Hey everyone, this is going to be for all the signs, okay? And let's start with the reading. Sending you love all the way from India, Bharat, namaste. Let's start. And also what? Okay, I have my own store and I have my membership live. You may join there. Also, I am on Instagram, SSHG, LLS, Shells Running. Also, for private readings, you can always contact me via my email. In the description box below, it's mentioned there. And thank you for the support and donations. What is going to be? Someone is... there's a replacement, I heard. Kind of like some sort of replacement is happening. Replacement. This could be some stuff. This could be, you know, anything connected with the location or something. Maybe stuff, okay, in your life. That's what is. Someone is doing like a shifting here or placing, replacing. I can also hear operator calling. Like when you're calling, operator is speaking, kind of like maybe it's a service thing or something. Maybe you are into that. Your employee there and you are working, okay, and you have this job of something. You're talking about replacement. This may be your own business if you have your own organization and all that stuff. There's something happening connected with the replacement, okay? Emotions, yes, emotional replacement maybe, but I feel like something is connected with that. First of all, work stuff. Okay, for people who listen to me and they want some specific sign to be talked about and all that, so these are general readings. So if the message, if the message is going with you, you may take it as with that sign particular as well, or you may check, you know, cross watch the elements of Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, okay, so and so, or you may take private reading, because that's how it's going to work, right? I try my level best to pick all the messages. Okay, what is going on? What was the message? Maybe this replacement is all about conversations, like words. Someone is replacing their words, twisting their words. Maybe they wanna, they wish to, I'm sorry, I can't speak something. Maybe they wanna freshen up something, okay, their words, replacing that and saying something all over again. Oh, emotions, words, and you have Two of Cups. Something is going to be replaced, and it's going to be positive, and it's going to be poured rightly, it's going to be arranged, it's going to be said and done. That's what I feel. It's like getting back power again to speak something, to speak it right, as if like something was stolen, as if something got formatted, as if something never happened, but it happened in a memory, of course. This is all about memory also. This is about wanting passionately, genuinely close again. So this is a card of reunion. A shocking experience you people might have gone through prior. This unsettled energy, like fighting for each other or securing something for some was never the deal. Maybe it's with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, feminine or masculine, but maybe this is about you might be dealing with the one or the one who is listening. It's the question of what you people are going to do when you will meet. You know what? This tower was supposed to be coming like this, but it flipped and it came like this. Something that is something that you can not undo. It's done already. You cannot reverse something in this situation, or someone who cannot stop something. Someone is also here, like whoever this energy or your situation. When I talked about replacement, no, wandered off gone, you know, cut off everything, and then can't help it but to return. Something undeniable, an unexpected awakening kind of situation, whether you want it or not. A lot of replacements may be happening in this person's life, and it doesn't matter whether they're feminine or masculine, it depends on the situations, okay? The person who is coming around to reunite with you, or you are thinking of, or whatever is going to happen, because this is where you people are coming in touch. After a lot of replacements, kind of emotional, kind of work-wise, kind of situation-wise, or after dealing with people when wandered off, okay? Means experiences. They can't find peace. There was a lot of chaos, or still a lot of chaos in their life, and it's just not about, oh, emotionally you weren't there for them. Could be, maybe, but also in their own life things have happened. Workplace, you know, other people. There is something chaotic, something that can't be undone or replaced, but people want replacement. Look, I want replacement. Oh, that's life. We are talking about, not about furniture, we're talking about emotions. This is about effort, and this is also about someone who is in the need to fix something which was not right. Ego. They need to replace their ego. They need to replace their attitude. They need to replace their, you know, whatever was not working in the base foundation. Someone need to do something to put things right if they want this. And when this is going to happen, a lot of this will happen too. Past memories, things will be said and done, discussions will be happening, heated conversations may happen, because this needs to come off, down, so that you people can manage to build something again, okay? Only if you're interested, only if you want. I feel like it's not forced. It's also, are you ready for the change? Are you ready to meet this person? Because there is this charging happening where a battery is again charging up. How to explain? It's about rebooting the system. It's about, in the Jurassic Park, when the system went down, they went all the way, dared it, like kind of like they crossed that path where dinosaurs were there, raptors was there. But when she does that charging, and after that everything turns up, like lights are on and system is working, but she's stuck there. She will fight that, okay? So for example, like this, things are going to mess up and people would run for their emotions, okay? And falling out, and then removing, kind of like, I'm getting the word of like sickness, whatever is not right, whatever is the pattern, whatever is wrong, intruder. I can see here even energies influencing two people's, does that make sense? Two people's lives, okay? Taking their decisions on their part, which is weird. I mean, yes, we want blessings of our elders, but intruder kind of energy may come in any form. Okay, there was someone who was asking me about what I draw and what is the purpose and why I draw it. Is part of the calling. I will explain it like maybe slow and steady in one of the videos where I may ask, you know, questions and answers, and then I'll collect them and then make a video of that. But in short, I can tell you that I go with the calling of stuff like they say, and I draw like that today this is so different here, okay? It's something connected with some stuff, okay? But I also like these things. As far as in my present moment, I don't like permanent tattoos and all, because I keep changing, and this changes and my mood changes, so I cannot stick with something one, though they have meanings, but as per my calling. So they have something which is like mysteries connected with them. I can't exactly reveal, but all I can say is that they are very positive and they are for the growth. And like, for example, if I draw an arrow, Okay, so this is to go and move further. Okay, yes, on face, when I draw today, it's not there, but when I draw, it's something connected. First, I like it very much, and this is somehow connected with the universe and all the stuff, something that's folklore and all the stuff's mixed. Also in our India, in culture, you know, at my place, I was about to say my place. Okay. So here also we have something that it's a beauty draw, and it's something connected with evil eye as well, something that is more of like an artistic approach to make it more good and beautiful and all that. And so it depends on person to person who does it, because some put here as well. I do put here as well sometimes, but usually I do it here, as you can see. So it has all positive impacts. Like if you draw the sun, it's about the light and sunlight, what you're reflecting. That's what I'm reflecting, okay, as well. But also mysteries attached with that, so I can't reveal everything. But yes, I think this is going to help you. So there's going to be on the cut side, there's a bounce energy. There may be a Capricorn listening or dealing, but there's going to be something that's going to, all I can say is unexpected approach. Okay, unexpected approach from some person's side who's going to unexpectedly, with all the questions and exclamations, will enter in your life, and they can't help this change. The change you can't help but to deal with. The meeting that's going to happen, the talk that may happen. For some of you, whether you like it or not, you'll have to talk. Why? Because you always wanted the closure possible, or you always wanted to deal with this. I just heard things you'll deal, but the lights will go off, and that's something connected with charging up again. System is going to get charged up and it's going to get on again. Everything reboots, and then someone over here, maybe it's about an individual life, yours or theirs. People are going through different changes, challenging situations, okay, frustrated, annoyed concepts in their life, work or emotions. Replacements happening. Let's work it out. Let's work for this. You have heavy resurgence. 6 of Cups. What is that you're going to do with this? Somehow it's connected with an offer, and also peace that they're seeking with you, harmony. Okay, yes, reunion, but what sort of reunion? They have something to offer to you. That's what I said, an offer. Someone is interested in getting back with you. They want you back. It's not a game, right? Oh, I want this back. No, it's not something that you can buy, but this is what is going to be the effort. This is going through the phase of like, we cannot undo in something that's been done already. But in your future, it's the calling of someone's return. Reunion. Could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, feminine or masculine. The calling is to how long someone will wait. Like, yes, patience, but how long someone will wait to answer, because there's an offer, and some things, those are not being claimed. Replacements, emotional replacements, means maybe someone doesn't feel the same way. You know, maybe you don't feel the same the way you used to feel. It's about lighting. I keep hearing that. Is it about, is that the word is claustrophobic? I think it's about the, if I'm not wrong, okay, no offense, but is it like when you are in an elevator or some closed place and you feel that, you know, you don't feel good, you feel exhausted, and there's a fear of like closed places fear? So is it like that word? I heard that. Someone may be going inside with those feelings here. That for how long? And it is not necessary that it's only romantic. This could be normal emotions that someone is feeling. Because you know what I heard? That no one can see what this one person is feeling. Is it about work area, office, where someone is feeling in a certain way and people around, they're not recognizing it or overlooking it? Something over here is stressful that someone is going. Something is going in the zone of like they can't manage it. Emotions, maybe. Is it like someone is feeling in their own place, like at their own home, in their within family? Sometimes it happens that people are stuck with something, okay? I feel like this is about they can't manage something. Whoever over here can't manage, they need harmony and peace or family support. You know what? I always say, maybe many must be saying that or feeling that, but I feel like that when things are not right and when you cannot handle something, okay, mostly we are strong, we handle, but if you cannot, go home. Go home. Return home. Return to your people. Return to your family. Return to your friends you can confide in. Return to wherever you feel like home. Return. Don't stay alone. Don't be alone. Meet your friends. If that's not possible, just talk to your family. Talk to your sister. Talk to your brother. If your parents or grandparents, anyone you feel close, please return. I kind of get this energy here, even if it's emotional or like, yes, love emotions or emotions, okay? That there is something that's going to be redone. That's why I said replace, but also like maybe words will be exchanged and it's going to be like that jumbled and people are arranging it to say, okay? What is supposed to be said and done in the situation? The High Priestess, what is that your gut feeling? What is that your intuition is telling you? This is also hidden information that is going to be out. But this is also an unknown territory of emotions where people are keeping a lot of patience here. Yes, they are waiting for some growth. There's going to be a situation that is going to open up where, yes, emotions and patience will go side by side and the growth is going to happen, but this is going to take time to reopen again. Words will be arranged the way someone will understand. There's a mystery around here. Mystery around the area where things are changing in the relationship. There is something that's going to be like you may get back with certain someone when you talk. Maybe they're going to discuss about what went wrong in my life. Something is there. Let me see. It is about, should I trust this or not? Should I trust this person or not? Maybe it's again. Yes, because there's resurgence, because there's someone who wants to talk to you. If this is with the person with everything just crumbled down way back. Okay? It's about, should I take this action? Should I talk? Should I proceed with that? You may be reflecting on what was said and done, but then now what is happening? Okay, because I have some questions regarding this person. That what is with this person? What is this with this person's energy? Not so right. If you're doubting that something is wrong, yes, something is wrong. They may be on pause. They may be going through sour moments in their life, not just specifically with you. Or maybe they are, reflecting on something that happened. Maybe they are going through the ending, heavy ending. They don't know what to say. It's something is in their throat. It's pokey. Because last time when you had the conversation, everything went sour or nothing happened. it's possible building up their own guilt kind of energy, but this needs to end. This is happening. What is happening with this person? They have trouble organizing their words. Maybe they have this energy of like, let it go, kind of like, I can't fight it anymore. Look, they're building up something in their life. The Chariot could be Cancerian, listening or dealing, but they are building their strong mind and heart, especially after this. Maybe it was in your life with this person. They are getting strong mentally, all in all. So they're getting strong. Nobody saw you together. If that fits you. Nobody saw you together. Like, no one can talk about you because you might have dated in a different way. You don't want to show off. High possibility. So everything that happened between you and this person, it was like, I don't know, we should call it as like privacy. Okay, it's a private zone, like kind of energy. You have Judgment. It's about someone who's seeking forgiveness for what they did, and this can come into this, a sour ending between you both. Someone who is going to make the move here. Judgment is a callback from my side as well. This is sort of like an announcement that's going to happen. Maybe you're going to hear from this person because they are making a move. They are. Let's see what is coming for you guys. These things, whatever been done, said, happened, you can't undo it, of course. Neither like replaced. Because it's already done. And they even don't want to do it because first, it's not possible. Second, what can be done is a regrowth. There's a callback. I'm not going to take them, okay, because that's not the calling. Okay, please give me the card. What is going to happen for you? Now, whatever will come, we're going to talk about that. Am I too close to you? Someone was too close to you, and then suddenly, whoosh, movements were done, endings happened, sudden endings. What is wrong with someone? Like Three of Swords, but I want to flip. It doesn't work. It doesn't work the way we want. Now it's going to come. As I said, it's going to come. It's Four of Pentacles. It's a weird documentary kind of thing, like a self-life. Okay, now this is Four of Pentacles. Someone is not out from this, whatever was between you both, okay? Someone is still thinking about you, still thoughts been lingering on, okay? It's also one person who is watching you through sources. And it feels though they're not, but they are. They are hoping to see you through one of the windows so that they can get back with you. They have their own complexities here, okay? It's going to be sort of like a peekaboo. It's going to be callback, as I said. It's going to be reconnection, as I said. They don't know what to do. but you're going to see them somewhere, see their kind of like reaction on your story, a certain kind of activity in the midst of busy schedule, but they are hoping to get in touch with you. At the bottom energy is 3 of Cups, which is about reunion, getting back. Queen of Wands could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius listening or dealing. Or masculine or feminine. You know what I'm hearing is like it's a bell. It's something. People are going to hear that. But people only connected, they may hear that. Okay, this is also the energy of like someone who is trying to get back or will get in touch with you because they are looking at you. Someone who is observing you, you might be observing them. It's kind of energy of like they are thinking about you in the frame, and this is also about something as in like social media's spotlight area, stories, somewhere where they're going to visit. Okay, it's like something is like a video virtual game is going on and someone is hiding behind the mountain, let's just say that, or in the bushes, and they're going to be looking. They're looking. They are. In their life as well, something is not right. Someone who know you so well, this is this person. And a mushroom season, something is going to grow suddenly, mysteriously. Okay, their presence or something that you are going to observe. But listen to me. Mushroom is also, they're wild as well and they're edibles, so you need to find that up. So the longest reading, crows. It's going to be messages or messengers, or someone is going to suddenly, you know, witness so many crows at one place for the endings and the beginnings. But I feel like so many crows, it's going to start suddenly. It's going to may freshen up the area. Something is going to, you'll know it. You just know it. It's kind of energy when they are messages, they are picking messages, crows from the other realm, like wheel, okay? Because they can cross. People are aware about that as well. Take care and see you soon. Let's see what happens. Comment down if it goes for you. I know people love my readings, so I'm so blessed to be here and part of your life as well. Thank you for being part. Okay, bye.